working as a professor under Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis and Excellence College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences at Brønsted. Today, in my class, we are going to see about non-aqueous titration. I am handling the subject for B.Pharm learners in the first semester, Pharmaceutical Analysis 1 theory and practical. In this, today we are going to learn about the non-aqueous titration technique. So this non-aqueous titration technique is very suitable for majority synthetic drugs. It has the limitation, it has the major three limitation based we are selecting this non-aqueous titration technique. The one is the drug or organic synthetic compound or API, it is insoluble in aqueous solvent or inorganic solvent or water. If the drug has low solubility in this water, such drugs, we are giving preference for this non-aqueous titration. Or the drug has very poor solubility in water, such molecules or such drugs also we are giving preference for this non-aqueous titration. These are the two factors. The third factor I am going to explain now. If the API, amphiprotic ingredient or a drug is weak basic or a weak acidic, such drugs also we are giving preference for this non-aqueous titration technique. So you know the pH scale over here 1 to 7 acidic, at the same time 7 to 14 it is base or basic or alkaline. So if the API or this drug has the pH range weak acidic or a weak base, like 6.5 to 7.5 range pH, if the drug has such drugs, we cannot perform for the normal solvent system. I mean, we cannot use water solvent system for such drugs. Such drugs will give better result in the non-aqueous titration method. So I am repeating, so the non-aqueous titration is suitable for three categories of drugs. One is the drug is insoluble in water category. The second category was the drug poorly soluble in water. The third one, the drug is weakly acidic or a weak base nature. Such drugs we are giving preference for this non-aqueous titration technique. In this non-aqueous titration technique, these are the solvents we are using. The first one is glacial acetic acid. It is a well-known solvent for this non-aqueous titration technique. And another one is acetone. Here we can use for the non-aqueous titration as a solvent. And formic acid also we are using for this non-aqueous titration as a solvent. And acetic anhydride we are using as a solvent. And chloroform also we can use as a solvent for the non-aqueous titration. Or we can use individual solvent or combination of solvent also system also we are using. So an example 50 is to 50, 40 is to 60 range. We can take glacial acetic acid and formic acid or acetic anhydride and chloroform. The different ratio when we are taking will enhance the solubility of the drugs. So these are the solvents that we are using for this non-aqueous titration as a solvent. So now I am going to explain about the principle of non-aqueous titration, followed by advantages and disadvantages of non-aqueous titrations I am going to explain. I hope this introduction about this non-aqueous titration technique is very useful for this B.Pharm learners.